Yada say ya mo kwa baby me Adom TV ye Badwam na o hye no yada se papa umre no wadaje a wo de ma ye enti yada se midin afia amankwa tamaklo yada se pa nkomo we hu hia ye papa na me wo yon Kwahu forum for e wa ha ye di nkomo taw we say odwumade bi esi edu so a ye pese ye di enti Theodore Albright managing consultant, the family office, Accra, Africa. Emmanuel say in team, ye chairman, the Ma Young Kwahu Forum, and Adoma Nyakon secretary, and so the Ma Young Kwahu Forum. Madofo, Memo Akwabe. Say Bia Boko, dear. Men coach chairman way. Chairman, I'm watching. Say Bia Koye. Young Kwahu Forum. Yami Adoma Friday, dear, near expected.
And I'm doing my Friday events be a friend intergenerational business conference. Baby, I free Kwahu. Kwahu ye cry. Majority of business people are more chroma. If you are very large companies, very reputable companies. But ye who say from businesses that were started way back, no, a number have not transitioned into second generation. To where a problem I per solve. Into this event, is just to bring a conversation to the table. Say, yeah, Janum, you per se making sure say your business is between me co-inimpa for it to be sustainable. Like between me boaka and her. Into a event here is mainly to have the discussion on what family business is, what we can put in place to extend it, and how we can encourage more businesses to go that route, all under the name of Kwahu, because that's what we represent.
I said, you want to see, I was a young generation, almost TSC. And I want to no more so, and the men call Ura Theodore now I want to show. And why you're quite bad, I will first or not just say, Nim Musakra said, then I'll call young Kwahu forum no cry by motive near day.
Me patcho if you are singing no omo didwa no ena omoboa omai nti omai bia no say open koso a e dwadi ena ana de abrafo friend business eno ena ema nkoso ba omai na sa kra ya friend Ghana no ye hu say nkrofo bi ye from Kwahufo obaka se nyame ehira omo wo business ana adwadie mu na enshana ye di nyame di ma omo no ye ntime mfa nko the next generation ti omo ma ni omo ma no omo ba obaka se na business adwadie na omo ye no atosini nti ye pese ye hwe ekwan a ye be fa sa mistake and say sa difficulty na omo no ensi biom and say ye be reduce I was say make bibi say ewiase nyina no sa asem no ewo ho na ya hwe ahu say o the leadership in any governance any strategy o the back together utimi ma inkoso no eba na eniti ana chese young Kwahu forum akase ye betu eda ni ehia ni edi nkomo na chese ye nyina ya fa adwen a ye de bebo ye ho ban.
Wow, mama kwa do manya akoko chochuru ni na awo for how long na say na tie ayeli ne but aye simoni so no say na sa young Kwahu forum no
we young Kwahu forum ya wo ho be 5 years ni I na ye share de connect ye ho ehu say na ye be timi aye collaboration ye be timi ehu ye ho because ye hu say ye mama ne ye papa no omo nyine no no omo ni mo ho but ye na akoba say ye na ya separate ye enti ye no ye say there be say be business akoye nim say be ni akoye nim ya o say ye kabom ye hu na hu say we na yetimi aye adwuma ne eye together enti Sana akoba.
Sana akoba. Nti dwumadie no wo se Friday na eba so. Wo hefa.
Yeah, EcoBank head office. Into EcoBank aboy in the form of sponsorship. Headline sponsor.
Okay.
Into say no we've not in Crawford Bebre person more attended. Into for now no the number of seats are say no about 20. It is on a first come first serve basis. Into my phone numbers. Into if there are any people are more interested, they can also join us on that day and also attend.
Okay. It is oba dear pan ye didn't come on and now ye showcase and businesses be interested and I just am command you could
me patra a combination of a lot of things. Remember me bra opinion so I can be so far. But mainly no there were a number of key Kwahu businesses are on that attending.
Okay.
You have your Seconds, you have your Midwest, you have your Fon, you have your Bebre businesses Bebre or Kromha man for him say a Kwahu for business. Into almost a gentleman and almost man so bad. Into your opportunity to also network and to also for outsiders as well who have not yet joined our group to also get more information on the group.
And also
so for now bias kakrana and for to my mommy bra penny so I come because on there your main speaker on the day.
Oh okay.
Ti ye busa say dear ben ena ye bitimi aye ama eja padie na waja no yetimi ahwe so oma etimi ahwe so na oma ma etimi ahwe so dear ben infomso ena wo se ye dwane free sana sika ana business ana legacy a friend ejapadie no etimi akọ so na nkoso beba dia na efutuo ena chese ewo se ye debo ye ho ban nti fiada de ye tnase ye di nkomo na ye di adwen aba ni atwere wo krata mu nti obia de nyansa ni nyansa ba ye di kabomu na ye di abo ye ho ban.
That's your time be secretary.
At your time, you started 8 a.m. but you were here by 1:30.
Okay, yo. Na number no so na ebia.
Number is 054 205 6775.
Sama ebio.
054 205 6775.
Okay, but apart from Friday meetings, you know, yeah, more days be a more meeting ana.
If I try and yetashia pa into every quarter you were 3 key events yeta host to back your friend bridging the gap and new year event ye call mainly the business people.
Okay.
Say mojuma no maya beju say me patro chance na mo ye mo maya futu ho nti bridging the gap no yetumi akohu Honorable Brian Achampong, Honorable Julius Deborah, Mr. Tim of Fon Limited, Madam Black Park, and so Madam Patience Prempe, Black Park, and so we've been able to go to a good number of people.
5 years, you know, Osha, like Mobota, Mbedu, just even the 5 years and a near
100%. Of course, they say a membership no cramp at 100 people.
Okay.
The most important thing is we not impact Kwahu. Chima makwe so I say abroche. No na pese.
Sir, and them say young common you and na ko bibi. Okay. Na
the back can say ye dey adwin ba ye bitimi ama ye business no akoso. See ye business no koso a ye kro no so Ghana akoso.
Sure.
And wanti ena yesha.
Mo ti o chenya me Adom EcoBank head office.
Pacho chinechi.
Friday EcoBank head office. Ifiada. Ene kwada nti ya wade fiada. Ene me famu nsi hey. That's pa me nko an me ba be join e. Bia me nye Kwahu ni.
Pacho be show.
Enti ye young Kwahu forum na yete won kana Theodore Albright. Ene Emmanuel Osen team ni Adom anya ko ene omadi nkomwe. Esro ye Kwahu ni dia number no de ato ho no. Fa na wo de wo nim maybe wo destiny helper no free ba. Bia wo beko Sahaju medie no ase no ama o business idea obi wo no ma o den anoka bibi o ye bibi anafa ma wo so no wo sika no but emfa so wo hia bibi advice ki tuwa bi na pushu wo tie bibi say ya ma ne nye dede wo wasum ya wo mo ho na te wo mo no way Mr. Unya chance de aka seat no 20 ti fa number no me do ma me number ni biom 0542
205 6775.
Okay, mintie director
054
0542 056 775 0542 056 775 fa number no aka seat 20 ne fiade nyina yen hia wo kuti o de kuti bi o de onfa nya hwe just ko de ko we nipa ne wo keke na wa na obehu say ye man ko bi anka ma ye me ho adwuma wo ho but wo ha ye de awo no o kan ya na fa o de ma ka we bom ye we say na fa ko bi ko fore so ni ti sister Sandy bi o ye guy o ye crado ono so de o she axim ho no musa no de ma ye woto was a tourism no so entertainment oh bi wa no ayira wo bedwam wonni mu kro ma mamre ni amane tie bi bra ye basisia